You're fired. The Attorney General finally did his master's bidding. The President had been badgering him for months, bad-mouthing him and ridiculing him personally and professionally. Now he has saved his job, at least for the next few days. The President has no regard for anyone other than himself. Anything that he perceives as contrary to him, he opposes. It's not just that he opposes that person. He must crush him or her in the process. He believes that the only way he can stand out is on the shoulders, you might say heads, of those he has conquered. The image of him as the conqueror, with his foot on the head of his enemy, is very apt. The President had hoped to accomplish two things. One was to cast a shadow on the FBI, the special prosecutor, and the investigation. The other was to punish someone whom he deemed had betrayed him. Along the way, it would not be too much of a stretch to see him demeaning an underling by forcing him to do something which fundamentally went against his personal ethical standards. For the President, this is part of the fun. If he can get someone else to violate their own ethics, then it makes him feel better because of his own lack of ethical standards. Those who have standards bother him. He would rather everyone be as lacking as he is. In fact, he thinks they are. And part of his role is to bring out that hypocrisy in their lives. They put on a facade, which he believes is a lie. Unfortunately for him, he does not understand how Washington works. Whereas the former second in command of the FBI, Andrew McCabe, would have faded into the woodwork as he retired, now he has become a major figure. Others are coming to his aid, and there is no doubt that he will not only gain his pension, he will be able to write a book. He'll be able to go on a talking circuit should he so desire. In other words, while the President has had the intent to punish him, he now will come out of this wealthier and more important than ever. It is another example of the President doing something without understanding the unintended consequences of his action.